The Mahindra XUV300's infotainment system, like any computer, can sometimes freeze or become unresponsive. A reset is like rebooting your phone and is often the first step to fixing common issues. There are two main types of resets: a soft reboot and a factory reset. A soft reboot is a quick restart that clears temporary memory without erasing your data. Use this for minor freezes or lag. A factory reset wipes the system to its original settings, erasing all your data like apps and contacts. Use this only for persistent problems after trying a reboot, such as after a software corruption. To perform a soft reboot, press and hold the power button on the infotainment screen for 10 to 15 seconds until it shuts down and restarts. This takes a minute or two and won't erase your settings. For a factory reset, go to Settings, System, Reset Options, Factory Reset. This might require a PIN or dealer code. Alternatively, try pressing Volume Up plus Power button simultaneously for 5 seconds, then navigating with the touchscreen to the reset option. It takes 5 to 10 minutes, and you'll need to repair your devices afterward. Important: back up your data before a factory reset, as it's irreversible. Also, check for software updates first, as they often fix the issues resets address.